Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be filling in some 3D angel wing mold charms for nails. So we're going to grab some IBD builder gel after filling in with the cover color, and we're just going to fill up all of that space to make sure that the charms have some structural integrity. Then after it's all done and cured, we're gonna grab a lint-free wipe and some acetone to get rid of that inhibition layer. Next things next, we're gonna start popping these bad boys out. This one to be so cute. I love the heart between the wings. And not everything cured exactly perfectly, like the other one with the heart and wings, it kind of tore apart. But that's okay, we can always make some more. Thank you guys for bearing with me because the inhibition layer was still kind of there even after wiping down with acetone multiple times. But this is the final result. So pretty, very demure. Please subscribe.